Google launches Photosphere camera app for iOS.
Hello, I'm Cameron.
And I'm Luke. We're here from 3Deal Studio, keeping you up to date with the latest app news and releases.
This is App to Date.
This Tuesday, Google releases its Photosphere camera app for iPhones, iPad, and new Android devices. Making its debut on the Nexus 4 camera app, it has now been released on any Android 4.4 or higher operating systems as the Google Camera app, and also as a standalone app on iOS devices running iOS 7 or higher, with the exception of iPhone 4. On the App Store listing, Google notes that the iPhone 4 cannot create photospheres.
Researchers hack into Gmail and other apps with 92% accuracy. A team of US engineers has developed a method that allows them to successfully hack into apps, including Gmail, up to 92% of the time. They have identified a weakness believed to exist in Android, Windows, and iOS mobile operating systems that could be used to obtain personal information from unsuspecting users. Researchers tested the method and found it was successful between 82% and 92% of the time on 6 of the 7 popular apps they tested. Among the apps they easily hacked were Gmail, Chase Bank, and H&R Block. Amazon, with a 48% success rate, was the only app they tested that was difficult to penetrate.
Apple, Google, and Microsoft ordered to remove Secret app in Brazil. Apple, Google, and Microsoft have been given 10 days to remove the secret and cryptic apps from their respective app stores in Brazil. After a 10-day period, if Apple, Google, or Microsoft still have the app accessible on the Brazil version of their app stores, the offending firm will be fined the equivalent of $540,000 a day until the app is removed.
Skype to soon display chat notifications on active device only. The feature essentially ensures that Skype notifications will only be received by the device that is currently being used actively, even if the user has logged into multiple devices at the same time, although the chat history will continue to sync across all the devices. Also, Skype call notifications will be sent to all devices. TriDrops plans to impose extra fees on WhatsApp and Skype. In a victory for network neutrality, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has decided not to entertain demands from cellular service providers to impose revenue-sharing rules on apps and services which allow users to route calls and messages via the internet. The proposal would have affected users of several popular apps including WhatsApp, Skype, Viber, Hike, WeChat, and Facebook Messenger. As reported by the Economic Times, Tri has now rejected the idea and even cancelled plans to hold a consultation on the matter. According to the reports, Tri feels that revenue losses can be offset by growth in the usage of data services and that there is no need to intervene at this time. Flappy Bird's creator unveils his next game, Swingcopter. After the unexpected success of Flappy Birds, creator Dong Wen faced intense scrutiny, which eventually led him to pull his game from the App Store and Google Play. He finally relaunched the game, but only for Amazon Fire TV at the start of August. Now Wen has released another game, called Swingcopters, which looks like a spiritual sequel to Flappy Birds.
Make sure you watch our video to see how Cameron got on.
BBM for Windows leaves beta, now available for download. BBM for Windows Phone is now finally out of beta. The company announced the rollout of the updated app version 1.0.1.28 for Windows Phone 8 and Windows Phone 8.1, an update that brings speed and performance improvements over the beta. This is me, Cameron,
And Luke.
signing out for 3Deal Studio.